Hello student, today we are going to learn addition of single digit. Now let's start. Here is 5 and we are going to add 5 with 3. Okay, now draw here 5 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the front of 3 draw 3 beds. 2, 3. तो अभी क्या करना है आपको 5 और 3 ये बेड्स को एक साथ काउंट करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many beds are there? 8. Now the addition of 5 plus 3 is 8. So write here 8 in the given bracket. Now second example, 4 plus 6. Now in front of 4 you draw 4 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 के सामने 6 beds draw करने हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अब इन सब बेड को एक साथ काउंट करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many beds are there? Here are total 10 beds. That means 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now we can write 10 in the given bracket. We are going to see third example. 2 plus 7. 2 के सामने 2 beds draw करने हैं और 7 के सामने 7 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अभी ये सारे बेड्स हमें एक साथ काउंट करने हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Then write 9 in the given bracket. Okay, next example is 3 plus 4. 3 के सामने 3 बेड ड्रॉ करो. 1, 2, 3 and 4 के सामने 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add this all beds together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and write 7 in the given bracket. Next 6 plus 3. Draw here 6 bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here 3. 1, 2, 3. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Write 9 in the given bracket. Sixth example, 8 plus 1. Draw here how many beds? 8 beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here 1. Only 1. Okay, now count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Answer is 9. Write it into the bracket. Now next, seventh example. 7 plus 2. Draw here 7 bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here 2. 1, 2. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Write down 9 into the given bracket. Now, I hope you understand. Okay children, bye bye. तो मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो में.